How to put on the BioSleeve. Identify the donut-shaped feature on the inside of your BioSleeve. This is the elbow cup. Position your elbow in the elbow cup as you pull on your BioSleeve, ensuring the seam runs straight up the inside of your arm as shown. How to charge the BioSleeve. To charge the BioSleeve, place it face down on a QI-compatible wireless charging pad, centering the charging bolt symbol. If this is your first time, you will need to make an account to access the digital mirror. Once your account is set up, log into the application and complete two-factor authentication by entering the code sent to you on your mobile device. Welcome to the digital mirror. To connect your BioSleeves, select the menu in the top right, then tap Connect. Press Scan to search for nearby devices. Using the code on the wrist of your BioSleeve, connect to the correct device. Once the sleeve code turns green, we are ready to calibrate the device. Assign it to the appropriate limb and follow the on-screen directions to calibrate the sleeve. Holding your arm down at your side, palm facing inwards, then moving your arm out in front of you, thumb pointing up. Repeat this process to calibrate the other arm. Once both limbs are calibrated, select Done. You are now ready to capture and visualize your movements within the digital mirror.